ready for them drops. That up. It's all good. But yeah, lifting these things up, bro. These batteries are so freaking heavy, bro. I'm telling you. Hold on. Move this like this. Putting them on pallets, but I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put these at. So I might have to move them. I move this right here. Shit. Yeah, this is full. But yeah, we're just putting batteries on pallets, honestly. Probably say that in the other clip, but yeah, pretty much. Bro, I'm so hot. Oh, bro. Hot as heck. I'm so hot. Let me show y'all. Sweating over here, bro. Sweating like crazy. Sweating like crazy over here. So freaking hot. What the heck? Liquid over here. Don't want to touch that. But yeah, it's hot as heck in here, bro. It's hot. I'm in the area, y'all, in the lunchroom, but I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I'm so tired. But at the end of the day, money. But yeah, tired as heck. But the lunchroom is warm. I mean, cold. Cold in here. It's more like air temp. It's air in the lunchroom. But out there, you ain't getting no air. You gotta thug it out. But yeah.